phone is ringing. Pick it up.
Hey, don't take. That my wife only might be calling.
Sir, the SI is calling you. Please pick up the phone and speak to her.
Oh, is it the SI? Hello, yes, tell me. He said, are you sure about it? You got it? Okay. You are my good girl. Hey, I got the money.
Oh, wow, you got the money, sir. Then we should go to the station, I guess.
No. Not to the station.
Then where do we go, sir?
Well, let's go to my mistress' house.
Oh, sir.
Come on, man. Sweetheart. Oh, my sweet.
Please listen to me, baby. I'm very scared right now. Sir has come home.
Hey, just stop it. Who are you scared of?
Sir, baby.
What happened to baby?
Baby, go inside the room and lock the door.
Baby has locked the door.
Baby.
Hey, just shut up. Baby. Here, your papa has come. Just open the door. I was traveling with the governor for the last 2 days.
It's open. Come inside.
My sweetheart, here I am. I've come to you. Oh, my little piglet. Oh, my little bun. Oh, baby bun. Why is my baby bun crying? Why are there tears in her eyes?
Get out of here.
Oh, why?
You can only sit there and talk. You come here only when you have some work. You're
you're only for that. I need only you for
You
that.
actually care about only your wife.
What happened, my little piglet?
Once you get money, you come and keep it here. When your work is over, and take it and give it to your
Oh,
wife.
sweetheart, what did I keep and what did I take and go? You just be clear, no?
What? What a wonderful acting. I have never seen anybody acting like you in my entire life. Just because you had to give me 5 lakhs rupees and took back the next day.
Hey, you only took it and kept it in the locker, right?
Then where is the money from the locker?
What? Money missing?
Hey,
Yes, madam.
what? What's your problem?
I thought I should not block your view, madam.
Just be quiet and stay at home. If anything goes wrong in this particular district, then you too will be hanged first.
Ma'am is telling you.
Keep the money ready and give it to your owner. Get back to your jobs.
Okay, madam. Thank you, madam. Madam.
Sir, I'm in town. Tell me where to come.
5 lakhs rupees is missing, dear.
But we already found it, sir.
But it went missing again.
No, sir. It's there with me.
Not the one that you have, but the money that I had.
This is the money that you had lost, and I got it for you. Money is there with me, sir.
Oh my God, the money that you got is with you. But the other lady's my...
I'm a little confused, sir. What is the relation between her and us, sir?
My mistress may not be related to you, but she is related to me.
What are you talking, sir? I'm not able to understand.
That I don't know. The money is missing.
That's what even I'm telling you, sir. 5 lakh rupees went missing and we already found it. Logic is right, sir.
Do you have anything in your head or what? That 5 lakhs is different, this 5 lakhs is different. That went from a different house, this went from a different house. That's all I have got to say.
Oh, now I can understand, sir.
Thank God, she understood.
But I didn't get one thing, sir. Got it.
Tell me the truth. Did you understand or not?
Understood, sir. Now I can understand it clearly. By the way, how did the money go missing?
Oh my God, she's starting from all over the beginning again. How did that 5 lakh go missing? The same way this 5 lakh also went missing. The lock of the house was not disturbed at all. But still the money is missing from my house.
Okay, sir. I understood. You hang up, sir. I'll take care of it. Hey, stop there, man.
Madam. Hey, no. Come, let's go. Okay.
We have given them the money, no? Then why are they...
Just come, run.
But why are they chasing us? Tell me,
Yes,
please.
5 lakh rupees, right?
No, but
that's
we
the
have
reason.
given
Come
them
on.
back, no.
Yeah, tell me.
The guys who's to work with you are still here
Are
only.
they there?
Yeah.
Bloody thieves.
The cops are chasing them all over the street. Come fast.
Yeah, I'm coming. Keep.
Hey, brother, we have given them back all the money we have taken. But why they are chasing us now?
That is not your money. The money which I stole.
Hey,
Come, let's go.
come.
No, don't catch me. No, let's come on, let's escape. Come on.
Hey, stop there, man.
Hey, where did she come from? Oh, come on, let's go.
Oh, buddy, I want to pee now. Come, let's go.
Hey, run a little slow. I can't run.
Let's take this right. Come on. After that, if you take the left, bypass will come. Then even if military comes, they cannot catch us. Come on, let's go. No. Please don't try to catch us. The police is coming back of us. Don't try to catch. Come on, I'm telling you, I'm warning you. Don't catch.
Hey, come on.
What happened to this place? Are they thirsty? Oh my God, police is coming. Let's go.
Okay.
Come on, let's go fast. Fast.
Hey.
Come on.
Stop there, I say.
Where have you kept that 5 lakhs?
I don't know. Just keep quiet. Come. Hey, stop running.
Hey guys, stop please. Madam, they're running
Stop
away.
there. I told you to stop.
Hey guys, please stop running.
Oh my God. We have come to the same place. I can't run anymore. I'm too tired, buddy.
Madam, please stop, madam. I can't run any further, madam. I am really tired.
Even I can't run. I'll tell you. Come with me.
Brother, if these rowdies caught us, they will definitely beat us. And this female cop also beats us. I think she is much better than them. Let's go to her. By the way, where is that other 5 lakhs? Madam.
Madam, I will come myself. Madam, you don't come, madam. I'll come, madam.
Hi, guys.
Please stay there, madam.
I'm going
I'll come,
there.
madam.
Go.
Madam, you can arrest me immediately,
What the
madam.
hell?
Come on, madam. Please
I've
arrest
been
me, madam.
calling you and you were running along with him.
Madam, I thought you were calling the cotton candy man. Madam,
candy?
please don't hit me with the big stick, madam. Please, madam.
Come with me to station. I will tell
Okay,
you.
madam.
Hey,
Madam, no, please, madam.
I was
no.
calling you. Why did you
We will
run?
definitely cooperate with you, madam. We will go to the station and talk.
You'll cooperate with me, is it?
Yeah.
Come. Come with me.
I'll take care of you later.